Contractor's Corner.
These guys, it's a lot of work goes into this, and a lot of it, people take it for granted because you don't see what goes into what's below your feet.
We can get an outage on this work. Once we get an outage, we get with production so they can okay the line and do the work.
We take the information that we get on a monthly basis in this meeting, and we take it out to the people that we work with, the craftsmen, the field people that are out there, not only industrial contractors, but commercial contractors.
As far as equipment on site, days on site, and tonnage of equipment we lifted, this was undoubtedly the largest project we've ever done. It takes a lot of coordination and a lot of effort on a lot of people's parts to pull this off safely, and lots of planning involved, lots of engineering.
The positive economic impact of ExxonMobil's new Port Allen aviation plant is proof of the power of one project.
Local spending during construction was $59 million for labor, materials, and equipment.
We paid $300,000 in state sales taxes.
500,000 hours of work was done by area residents.
And 45 well-paying jobs were created, including mine, so that I could support my family without leaving Louisiana.
Our business helps our economy take flight. Energy lives here.
We have two 12-hour shifts going day and night. We started this morning. We have 5 days to get the old loader down and get the new loader up. So we're working real hard to get that done and to get that done safely. And that's the most important thing, is that we do it safely. We mobilized in August of last year. We started with the silos. We converted 6 of the existing storage silos into new shipping silos.
Sure, some of the major milestones we've reached here recently, we finished all the epoxy grout on the pumps and hydrocracker. Here in PS4, we've actually started some systems.
Today we're going to talk about fall protection and why it's one of performance contractors' cardinal rules of safety. Fall protection is so important because when you start looking at general industry accidents,
Motiva's crude expansion project, once complete, will be North America's largest refinery and one of the largest in the world. And what began back in 2007 has now progressed to this. To date, nearly 40 million hours have been spent on planning, engineering, implementation, and construction on behalf of thousands of workers and support personnel. Upon completion, the refinery's crude oil throughput capacity will increase to 600,000 barrels per day from the existing 275,000 barrels per day. The completed expansion will bolster energy security in the U.S. by strengthening the supply of gasoline, diesel, aviation fuels, and high-quality base oils. In all, Motiva's refinery will produce about 23 million gallons of transportation fuels per day. From the early dirt work back in 2007, this parcel of land in Port Arthur has been transformed into a labyrinth of steel, pipe, cable, and concrete. Highlights include driving nearly 63,000 piles into the ground, the pouring of 319,000 cubic yards of concrete, the erecting of 29,000 tons of steel, and the installation of 685,000 linear feet of pipe. These are just a few of the more impressive numbers that make the crude expansion project the largest construction project in North America.